In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2020 MCQs, that is, if S1 and S2 are subset of V into F and L into S1 is the linear span of S1, then solution, that is theorem, if S1 and S2 are subsets of V into F and L into S1 is a linear span of S, then part A, that is L into S1 is equal to L into S2. B, L into S1 union S2 is equal to L into S1 plus L into S2. So option C is correct, both A and B, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.